Moving into a traffic alert this morning, the city of Grants Pass announced that they will be closing a part of Northeast Fairview Avenue and Northeast Terry Lane. On your screen, you can see where those road closures are. The closures will begin at 7 a.m. this morning to 6 p.m. today. The road closure is for asphalt paving and will go through Friday. Emergency vehicles will not be allowed through, and local access will not be allowed. Drivers are advised to avoid the area and find alternative routes.